Can you hear me now?
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, and thank you for clicking on this video. So today's video is going to be all about the porosity of your hair. So I took a porosity test and found out that my hair porosity type is low, and this basically means that my hair finds it hard to absorb moisture, as porosity is the ability for your hair to absorb moisture. So I require heat or low pH products, and by that I mean like when I wash my hair I should use hot water rather than cold water. To take a porosity test you just have to fill up a glass of water and then take a strand of your hair. It works better when your hair is clean, so take a strand of your hair and then put it in the glass of water. If the strand stays at the top, it's low porosity. If it stays in the middle, it's normal, and if it sinks to the bottom, your hair has high porosity. So yeah, so I have low porosity hair, and I didn't really believe it. I wanted to try it and test it out. So today I'm going to be steaming my hair with my deep conditioner in my hair to see if it makes a difference and to see if anything changes. So I'm going to be deep conditioning my hair with the Soft and Beautiful Sheer Moisture Deep Conditioner. So I've conditioned my hair. I look so crazy. So I've conditioned my hair, I put the deep conditioner in it, and I put a blue plastic bag, and then I just put the steaming cap on top. I didn't want to go ahead and buy an actual steamer in case this doesn't work, like in case my hair doesn't even change due to heat. So I'm going to, it has a long bit here with a hole at the end, so I'm going to use my blow dryer and just, yeah, see what happens. Okay, I've been steaming my hair for a good while now. I'm going to take this off. This. Let's see if it's made a difference. Ooh, my hair does feel a lot softer. It's way softer than it was when I put in the conditioner. Maybe it does work.
A few moments later.
So I'm back. I have rinsed out the conditioner from my hair, and guys, I don't even know if you can see, but it's so much more defined. Like my hair is so much more defined than it would be if I just left the conditioner and didn't apply any heat to it. So my final verdict is knowing your hair porosity does help, because by me adding the heat, it's made the conditioner work to its best ability. Okay, usually when I add conditioner in my hair, it is soft, but this is softer. It's soft. It has become more soft, so it helps. Anyway guys, thank you so much for clicking on this video and watching. Please make sure you subscribe. I am a few subscribers away from 100.
Thank God that we made it. Amen. Thank God for the money I'm making. Amen.
Thank you so much for the support. Check out my Instagram because I do a lot of hair videos in there as well. So yeah.
Yeah, me done talking. Yeah, me dogs them gone barking. Yeah, me done talking.